chocolate ganache cupcakes. Doesn't that sound amazing? That's what we're making this morning. Let's get the butter, sugar, and eggs creamed. So this is 1 stick of softened butter, 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to get that mixed with my retro mixer. And 4 eggs, and I let my eggs sit out to come to room temperature. Hey, that looks good. Now we have 1 1/3 cup of chocolate syrup. I should probably pour this instead of squeeze. Yeah. So 1. Oh, chocolate smells so good. Great. Right, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And a teaspoon of instant coffee. Hope this is a teaspoon. Yeah. Love the smell of coffee. What could be better than coffee and chocolate? And 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. And we're going to just slowly add this in. I want to lick that, but I won't. Okay, these will go right in a muffin tin. I'm going to spray the muffin tin. I'm not sure how many it makes. So we'll see. Okay. And we're supposed to fill these up pretty full because they will not rise very much. Okay, it filled up this pan of 12, so I'm gonna see how many more I can get out of it. Okay, looks like a baker's dozen. So these go in a 325 oven, so let's get them in. Cupcakes are out of the oven. They look amazing. I'm gonna let them cool, and while they're cooling, I'm going to make the topping, the ganache topping. Okay, the topping is pretty simple. It's just 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 12-ounce bag of semi-sweet chocolate, and we're just going to heat this in the microwave. Okay, I'm going to try and get these out. Nice. Oh, hot, 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 hot. I really got that one too full. I could try that. Mmm. Mm, 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 mm. That was good. Okay, the cupcakes are cooled, and I actually ended up baking them for 30 minutes. So, okay, and we're gonna put some Heath bar right on top. Sprinkle it. Whoops, looks good. Okay, we're gonna give it a try. Gonna break one open. Oh, it looks so good. Looks so good. Oop, had my finger in it. Okay, let's give it a try. I think I have chocolate everywhere. Mm-hmm. Yes. This is very good. You taste a hint of the coffee that's in the cupcake, the ganache chocolate topping with the walnuts. Excellent. I did feel them too full, so they baked over a bit, and that part was got a little crunchy. So I would not fill them as full, so that they would kind of be not as crunchy on top around the edges. But it's a very good cupcake. I'm gonna have another bite. I'm gonna share these with my friends. I hope that you guys will give these a try. I enjoy baking with you this morning, and I would say these are a win. I mean, it's chocolate.